Now, this is where most classes used to be, but this semester, all of your courses will be delivered online. Now, online courses can be quite different from in-person classes, but as always, I have lots of helpful tips to share with you as to what you can do before, during, and after engaging with your online content. Before. Now, the first thing you should do is set aside a specific time during the week to go through the material for each of your courses. If you have a course that is particularly challenging or difficult for you, consider tackling it in a few separate study blocks instead of just cramming it into one. Next, look at the learning outcomes for the week, and these can be found on your course outline, and really think about what you'll be learning. Having a clear learning goal will help you to process the information and identify what's really important. And lastly, try to do any assigned readings before listening to the lecture or accessing any content posted from your instructor. This will help you to better understand and digest the material and remember it. Doing this preparation work before is extremely beneficial. And think about it. The way you interact with the material will be really different if it's the first time you're learning about it or if you've already read and reviewed it on your own. So that's all for today's tips on getting the most out of your online courses. Remember, if you're struggling to grasp the content in any of your courses, you can always reach out to your instructor or get support from the Learning Center, where you can book an appointment with a tutor, get some math help, or meet with a learning strategist. Even though we may not be here, we're still here, online to help support you in your success. Happy studying!